So is mediation legally binding? Unlike a lot in family law, there's a really simple answer to this. That answer is it's not. Mediation is not legally binding. The only thing that is legally binding is a court order. Now, I know what you're going to say. You're going to say court orders aren't enforced. You got me. You're right. 9 times out of 10, 99 times out of 100, the courts don't enforce their own orders. What typically happens is someone breaks the order, the other person makes an application to get the order enforced, and the person breaking the order uses it as a vehicle to ask for the order to be varied, hijacking the application if you're really cynical about it. Mediation, however, mediation is not legally binding, like I say. Mediation is worth doing, however. It's worth doing because even though you've got a snowball's helling chance of it actually working, it still beats a court case. Mediation, even though it costs money, is still cheaper than using a solicitor, or perhaps even like someone with me in a nice, long, protracted, difficult court case. Mediation can work, but only when both parties want it to work. Now, if you speak to mediators, they'll tell you that's wrong, and they'll come up with all sorts of reasons to show that mediation absolutely does work. It doesn't, guys. It doesn't work if both parties aren't prepared to compromise. So look, I hope this helps. If you do go to mediation, which is a requirement of making an application, or more accurately, you attending a MIAM, that's what it's for. It's still worth a go though, even if you're almost certain it isn't going to change because your ex is going to refuse to compromise.